On the eve of the auspicious occasion of the Independence Day of our motherland India, our students from Vidyabhumi Public School have prepared another conversation in English. So here is what we have to show you. Let's check it out.
I am very happy today.
What happened, Dhanaj? Why are you so happy today?
I am happy because our motherland India is celebrating the 80th anniversary of the Independence Day.
Is our school organizing any program?
Yes, our school Vidyabhumi Public School is celebrating the Independence Day in a grand way this year.
Are you taking part in it?
Yes, I am.
What are you going to perform?
I am going to sing a patriotic song.
What is the song?
It's Karar Uilo Hokapai.
Can you tell me who has written the song?
Yes, I can. The rebel poet Kazi Nazrul Islam has written the song.
All the best to you too for your performance.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
And what are you performing in this program?
I am taking part in a play.
Oh, that's interesting.
I am very much excited to my play about my play.
All the best to you too for your performance.
Thank you very much. See you in the program. Tata.
Bye bye.